Does maintaining a clean storefront that catches the eyes of passerby seem like a pipe dream? Finding the time to keep your outside areas clean can be tough. Bustling neighborhoods and changing seasons present numerous cleaning challenges. At Business Cleaning Solutions, we can help your business put its best foot forward with cleaning services designed with your busy life in mind. First impressions begin at the curb. Dirt-laden sidewalks and oil-stained parking lots are doing nothing to help your business's image. Thankfully, our commercial pressure washing services can tackle the toughest of cleaning jobs, including the removal of eyesore graffiti, moss, and dirt. From entrances to sidewalks, driveways, and more, we have the solutions to help get your outside areas looking their best. In addition, we offer a variety of service options, including one-time deep cleans or ongoing maintenance programs. What's more, with our convenient scheduling, you can avoid any business disruption. So, think you're ready to entice foot traffic and showcase your business with pristine exteriors? Our service consultants can assess your outside areas at no charge and get you a pressure washing bid at the right price. Contact us today to schedule your estimate.